Today, we will explore how a modern factory transforms fresh, ripe mangoes into pure and delicious mango juice. The entire process is fully automated and follows strict hygiene standards. The journey begins at the collection yard, where trucks arrive loaded with baskets of ripe mangoes. Workers unload the crates and place the mangoes onto sorting tables. Here, skilled workers separate good quality mangoes from damaged ones. Next, the mangoes move onto a long conveyor belt that enters the washing tunnel. High-pressure water jets and rotating brushes thoroughly clean the outer surface, removing dirt and germs. After washing, the mangoes undergo another manual quality check. Damaged mangoes are removed, and only the best ones move forward to the peeling machine. This fully automatic machine removes mango skins quickly and cleanly. The peeled mangoes then enter a cutting and de-seeding machine, where they are sliced and the seeds are removed. The sliced mango pieces go directly into a pulping machine, which turns them into thick, smooth mango pulp. The pulp is then passed through a fine filtration system. This removes fibers, seeds, and any remaining solid particles, producing a cleaner and smoother juice. The filtered juice enters a large pasteurization tank where it is heated to kill harmful bacteria and ensure safety. After pasteurization, the juice flows into a mixing chamber. Here, purified water, sugar, and natural mango flavor are added in precise amounts. The blended juice is then transferred to huge stainless steel storage tanks with slow-moving mixers. Now, the bottling section begins. Empty bottles arrive on a conveyor and move toward the filling machine. The machine fills each bottle with the exact amount of mango juice. Next, an automatic capping machine seals each bottle tightly. A labeling machine then applies colorful brand labels to the bottles. To ensure quality, workers inspect every bottle on the inspection conveyor. Bottles that fail inspection are removed, while good bottles continue toward packaging. Robotic arms carefully pack the bottles into cardboard boxes. The boxes then pass through a shrink-wrap tunnel, where heated film seals each box securely. Finally, palletizing robots stack the boxes onto pallets, which are stored neatly in the warehouse. This is how a fully automated modern factory transforms fresh mangoes into pure, hygienic, and delicious mango juice, ready to be delivered to markets and enjoyed by consumers everywhere.